Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to log into your YSS employee account. Guys, for this you need to open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. Now bring up the search bar and type in YSS employee login and hit the enter. Make sure that guys, it takes you to the official link secure.intertimeonline.com. Click on that link. Now you'll be taken to the new interface. See the login form over here. Just enter your username over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on I icon. Then you will be able to see your password. Click on remember username for further use. But I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. Now once you click on login button, you'll be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot your password. Then you will be able to recover your password from here. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.